It's awesome.
It's amazing.
I can't believe you've done it. I'm still amazed.
I would have never dreamed we'd have come home and seen this fixed like this.
All right, so here's the situation. This particular customer was sideswiped with their RV. Their RV was sideswiped all the way hopefully you can see it good. This is definitely the worst of it. So I'm gonna try my acetone trick, and it's gonna be magical. The first thing the customer said was, well, need a body shop, gonna take it to the body shop. Well, with a camper to do that, you're talking months and months of the camper sitting, waiting at the RV place, and to get it painted, that whole bottom section, all this stuff. This isn't the bottom section, it's up here on the top section. This door would probably get replaced. You're talking thousands of dollars. And it would probably be an insurance claim, but we'll see if we can do it real quick. First thing I want to do is try a little test spot here. Look at that. That might be all it needs right there. Some of these spots are a little deep, so we'll see. There's a little bit of paint missing right there. But with some touch up, you'd never know it. This right here is kind of a rash that's going to have to be buffed out, which I'll do real quick. This part right here I'm kind of worried about. That looks pretty deep. But the good thing is this fender right here can be taken off and repainted. And you could probably take it off and take it to have it repainted. And you're not out your camper months. The rest of this I'll buff out, work on that, but I think it's a success. Now I'm just going to finish up with some D301 wax, finishing wax. Just noticed a screw was backed out. Probably unrelated to the accident. They back out all the time. Matter of fact, it's stripped. If it was me, I'd put, I don't know what they're called, but they're like a screw retainer or whatever you call them. Just so happened to find one. That's what I'm talking about. If you're in a camper, go to Lowe's or the hardware store and grab you a whole pack of them, because these screws back out all the time and there's nothing behind them to hold them in there. There we go, tight. That is what you call a success. So you had this accident, and what was the first thing that went through your mind? What needed to be done to fix it?
A lot of repair.
A lot of repair, big time. It was going to have to go to the body shop, get it all restored.
Painted probably.
And we're going to be 2 weeks without our home, because this is our home. This is where we live.
Yeah. You have dealt with RV dealerships and things like that before, so you know what it's like to take your RV in. And how long do you think would it have been in the body shop, do you think?
They told us
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Because I got the email the other day, and she said they could fix it, but it would be in there for 2 weeks.
Yeah. So while you guys were out running around doing some errands, I was busy working on your RV and got it back to brand new condition,
Yes,
wouldn't you
did.
say?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's awesome.
It's amazing.
I can't believe you've done it. I'm still amazed.
I would have never dreamed we'd have come home and seen this fixed like this. I thought for sure we were going to be without our home for 2 weeks. No doubt.
You've done an awesome job.
Well, thank you.
I
Very
really
awesome job.
appreciate it. More than you know.
I appreciate it too. I think they're pretty happy.
Oh, very happy.
Beyond happy. Can't
Awesome
even tell
job.
you.
Well, you're welcome.